Hello again, Don here at SnapItUpCanada.com. Want you to take a look at this ELMO ST1200 HDM 2-track Super 8 projector. This is pretty much top of the line. I know you've heard this before, maybe in one of my other videos, but this one here is pretty much top of the line. Very, very nice projector, 2-track. Let's see how it works. There's 2 new belts in this projector and a new bulb. So very nice projector. 2 lamp settings. 3 actually. Low, high, and off.
Always rising.
Volume control.
Very deep and profound, don't you think?
What's it doing on the screen? Let's take a look.
It's a place of serenity and security, where the unexpected never happens.
Ow! It's okay, Elliot.
Like it seems to say, welcome. You absolute, you idiot. No, it was that kid that pushed me.
He walked through my cement with his big feet.
He scared my horse, Victoria. Let's get out of here,
Number of
Elliot.
functions to it.
Well, where is this person? There he goes. Well, detain him.
Very nice projector. Expensive, but in my opinion worth every single penny. Thank you for looking and have yourself a great day. Bye bye.